Very good morning, dear children. This is class 5th Rose, and I have lesson number 3 to discuss with you. Earlier, I sent you one intro video of the same lesson. Today, I'm going to focus on the explanation of the lesson. As you have seen the video, you know already that in lesson this lesson is all about finding the wisdom, and its main characters are Hodza, king, and Hodza's mother. Who was Hodza? Hodza was a traveler. Okay, and he traveled India and he returned his own country, Turkey. Okay, dear children. Now let us see the first paragraph. After spending a few months in India, Nasiruddin Hoxha returned to Turkey. He rested at home for a while and then set out to visit the king and tell him about his journey. Okay, so this Hoxha, he traveled India and he has returned to his own country, and his country was Turkey. Okay, and after he returned, he just took some rest at home and then he decided to go to the king. Okay, why he decided to go to the king? He wanted to share his experience about India. Okay, as he was leaving the house, Hodza's mother asked him to buy some carrots on the way home. Since he was quite forgetful, she gave him a piece of paper with the word carrots on it. Means here, as that Hodza decided to visit king's court. At the same time, Hodza's mother, okay, she said Hodza to bring some carrots at home when he returns. Okay, so what happens here, dear children? That Hodza is quite forgetful person. Means he always forgets things. That is why his mother gave him a piece of paper. Means in a paper she wrote the word carrot so that Hodza can remember it. Okay, that is why. So this is all about the first paragraph. Now second paragraph. When Hodza arrived at the king's court, he was greeted with garlands and loud cheers. My dear children, when Hodza was a traveler, okay, and he returned to the king's court, he was greeted. Means everybody was happy, everybody was surprised to see him, and he all the people welcomed Hodza with garlands, flowers, and clappings. Okay, so Hodza, what did you learn in India? Did you find true wisdom? Asked the king. Here the king asked one question to Hodza about his experience. Okay, what he asked? He asked, what did you learn in India? Okay, now Hodza was stunned. What is the meaning of stunned? Very surprised. Okay, so Hodza was very surprised. How was he to explain to the king that true wisdom could not be found? It had to be learned. So, my dear children, it is the basic idea of the lesson that true wisdom cannot be found. That true wisdom we need to learn. Okay, so this is what Oza wanted to deliver the king, this idea. Okay, but Hodza had to reply as the king was asking him about the true wisdom. Do you know what is the meaning of wisdom? Wisdom means intelligence. Okay. Now let us see what he said. He cleared his throat. Do you know the meaning of throat? Yes. Okay. I have not found true wisdom, your majesty. but I have learned many things that will help anyone to become very wise, he said. Okay, so this kind of reply Hotzai gave to the king. Okay, you have failed me, thundered the king. What is the meaning of thundered here? Thundered means shouted very loudly. So this king became very angry, and he said to Hodza that because of you I am failed. Okay, because he was expecting that as he was traveling through India, he will get true wisdom in India, and he will give the clue of getting true wisdom. Okay, dear children. So now let us just a minute. Yes, now we have on the next page, page number 22. Hotsa thought quickly. Yes, he was thinking how to make a king happy and how to make the king convince. Okay, so he said, Your Majesty, I have written down all you need to know about wisdom on this piece of paper. Okay, what he said, my dear king, yes, what is true wisdom and how it can be achieved? I wrote everything, means I wrote in detail in a piece of paper. Okay, saying this, he handed the king the folded slip of paper that his mother had given him. Okay, so with him, as you remember, dear children, one slip was given by his mother. Okay, and in that slip, what was written? In that slip, it was written carrots. Right. So the same slip he handed over to the king. Okay, now let's see what happens. The king gathered all the courtiers. Okay, I'm sorry. The king gathered all the courtiers, means the person, those who were there in the court. Okay, Nasiruddin Hodja just returned from the great land of India, and he has found out what true wisdom is about and has written it down on this paper. Okay, so here king is announcing that Hodja has found the true wisdom source, and it is written on the paper. I will now read it out to you. Listen carefully so that you too may become wise like him. Saying this, the king opened the slip of paper. Instantly, his face grew red and angry. He looked sharply at Hodsa. Okay, dear children. So here, this king believed that genuinely here it is the key of getting true knowledge, true wisdom. But when he saw the paper, we all know that what was written in that paper, carrots only. Okay, so by reading that word, he became very angry, and he looked sharply at Hodsa, means he is now very angry on Hodsa. I ask you for true wisdom, and you gave me a paper with the word carrots on it. Okay, dear children, so this was the dialogue delivered by king. He said that as what I asked you, you have not replied like that only. Okay, if you are trying to make a fool of me, I will help you. I will have you imprisoned. Okay, Hodsa, explained yourself. So here king is instructing Hodsa again and again that you are making fool of me. Okay, and if you will do like this, the king will order to imprison Hodsa. This was a this kind of dialogue is said by the king. Okay, dear children. Now let us see ahead. Hodsa smiled. He bowed before the king and said, Your Majesty, I would never insult you. Here Hodsa is replying with generosity. He is saying, Dear king, respected king, I will never insult you. Okay, and I wrote the word carrots on the slip of paper because I feel that it describes true wisdom perfectly. So here Hodza is saying again that Your Majesty, on this slip of paper, yes, I wrote carrots. Okay, but it describes true wisdom perfectly that I will prove here. My dear children, in this video up to here only I explain. Okay, if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask in the Google Meet class. Thanking you.